Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on Book of Meme, BOME. But before we look at the charts, make sure that you join my Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. This is where I post all the trading setups and ideas that I am looking at every single day. AI coins, gaming tokens, meme coins, RWAs, DeFi, all that good stuff can be found on my Telegram group. It's free for now, but it's not going to be free forever. So make sure that you join as soon as possible. Now, the reason that I wanted to bring BOME to your attention today is because, as you might have noticed, the crypto market as a whole is pumping. Everything is going up. So I'm trying to find tokens that haven't pumped yet. So what I am doing is I'm taking some profits from other tokens that I hold, and I want to move these profits into altcoins that have really nice technical patterns and they haven't pumped yet. And one of them is Book of Meme. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, Book of Meme is currently ranked 117th, and the price is at 0.009733, 14.23% up for the day. The market cap is currently sitting at $670 million. And this is basically a meme coin that is built on the Solana ecosystem. And Solana has been outperforming the market the past couple of months. Therefore, that might be a clear indication that Solana is going to be outperforming the market during this upcoming bull run of 2025. Because Solana is currently a winner, and the winner takes it all. So I expect a lot of liquidity to flow into the Solana ecosystem. First, money is going to flow into large caps like Sol. And then after that, when traders and investors take profits and they are done from the large caps, they are going to move their funds into mid caps and small caps that have tremendous potential. So I expect BOME to pump in the coming days or weeks. Look at this. BOME is a meme coin on Solana and Arweave. And this is the chart. We are looking at BOME USDT daily chart on Binance. BOME was moving inside this falling wedge for a long time. And falling wedges like this one here have approximately a 65 to 70% chance of breaking to the upside. And as you see here, the price action broke out of this triangle pattern. And it's currently breaking above this smaller pattern that we have here on the chart. Look at this. This is a very nice breakout. However, what's interesting about this token, and the reason why I wanted to bring this to your attention, is because this looks similar to SHIB. Look at the pattern that Shiba Inu formed and broke above. This is a head and shoulders pattern. This is the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. And as you see, the price action broke above the neckline, and we saw an explosive move to the upside, bringing significant gains to traders and long-term investors. And this looks very similar to what BOME is doing. Look at this. Many people are calling for a cup and handle pattern. That's not completed yet. This is the cup, and this is the handle. However, we can also argue that this is another head and shoulders pattern, similar to the one that we saw on Shiba Inu. Look at this. Looks pretty much the same. So what I did is, because I hold billions of Shiba Inu, I took some profits up here. And now I want to move my funds into other altcoins that haven't pumped yet. And Book of Memes has a very nice structure going on. Either you think this is a cup and handle pattern or a head and shoulders pattern, it doesn't matter because we have a neckline here. Let me make it thicker so you guys can see. This is the neckline located at 0.01086. And the price action is moving below the neckline right now. So for those of you who want to take some profits from other altcoins that have been pumping, you might want to consider moving some of your funds into BOME. This head and shoulders pattern has approximately a 65 to 70% chance of breaking to the upside. And as you see, the price action currently is below the neckline. So for those of you who want to trade this aggressively, you might want to consider trying to front run the breakout of this head and shoulders pattern. So how do you front run this? As you see, BOME has been putting higher lows recently. You see, this is the first low, and then we saw another higher low. Therefore, in my opinion, a very nice buying opportunity would be if BOME experiences a pullback and form another high low somewhere around this area here, something like this, before it starts moving up to test the neckline. So this is not a buy now setup. Best entry would be a pullback forming another higher low here. And based on this idea, we might have an opportunity here to try to front run the breakout of this head and shoulders or cup and handle pattern. Now, for those of you who want to trade this in a more safe manner, what I would do is wait until the price action breaks above the neckline. Buy the breakout, buy the retest if it happens, wait for a continuation move to the upside so you can take profits on one of the targets that I have here on the chart. I know many people are hating on BOME, but Book of Memes has a very nice structure going on, guys. This is a pattern straight out of a textbook. Now, as you see, above the neckline, I have a few targets here, These are Fibonacci levels of support and resistance. For those of you who want to trade this in a more aggressive manner, waiting for a pullback here for a higher low in order to buy in, the measured move to the first target that I have here on the chart that's located at 0.01493 is a 76.25% move. While for those of you who want to trade this in a more safe manner, the measured move from the neckline to the first target is only a 38.85% move, approximately. The second target that I have here on the chart is located at 0.01743. And if we see a pullback in the coming days, the measured move to the second target is going to be over 100%. The third target that I have here on the chart is located at 0.02078, and that's going to be a 142% move from this higher low. The last target that I have here on the chart is located at 0.02412, and that's over 180% move. And you see the difference for those of you who want to trade this in a more safe manner. If you guys buy the breakout of this neckline, the measured move to the last target that's located at 0.02408, it's going to be less than 180%. It's going to be about 122% to be exact. So Book of Memes has a very nice structure going on. This pattern looks amazing to me. I might consider moving some of my funds into BOME soon, depending on how the price action is going to move. If we see a pullback here forming a higher low, I'm going in, guys, because BOME has currently a market cap of 664 million. And therefore, BOME doesn't need a lot of liquidity in order to make a 100%, 200% move in the coming days or weeks. So this might be a very nice token for those of you who want to take some profits out of the market now, out of your large caps, and move them into altcoins that have smaller market caps. Look at this pattern. It looks exactly like SHIB. And look what happened to SHIB, guys. That was a move that brought huge gains to traders and investors. And also, look at this. If we zoom in, what do you see here on Shiba Inu? The price action broke above the 200 simple moving average. It broke above. We had a retest of this and then explosive move to the upside. The same thing I expect out of BOME. Look at this. BOME broke above that 200 simple moving average. And what I really want to see is a pullback to come back and retest that 200 simple moving average. And then after that, I expect an explosive move out of BOME. Initially, we might see some kind of resistance here at the neckline, but eventually, I really think that BOME will break above this neckline and pull an explosive move just like Shiba Inu did. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Can BOME pull an explosive move to the upside similar to what Shiba Inu did in the coming days or weeks? I really want to know what you guys think. Do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the like button, hit the bell icon, so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos that I am going to post, because many other setups similar to BOME that haven't pumped yet, that have a really nice structure going on, are coming up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Trade carefully.